Okay, let's have a run through for anyone who hasn't claimed the PDUs that were shared. So first of all, you go to PMI Uganda in case you just need to get the link with ease. At the end, there is always report PDUs. The moment you click on that link, it is going to open CCRS, that is the continuous learning, pmi.org. Make sure that you have logged in your account. Then there are three options here. We are going to report a PDU. So the moment you click on report PDUs, this is another page that will open. Actually, when you click on report PDUs, you'll get this interface. Right now, we are reporting PDUs under volunteering without compensation. That's it. So click there, you'll have the form. The moment you get the form, which is this, it's what I want to explain and we'll go through together. So the organization, first of all, that is PMI Uganda chapter. Just have it simple. Then volunteering course, please, you put the position you're holding and whatever you're supporting on the team. Whether you're running on outreach, then put it just in brief what you're doing. So for me, I put technology and communication lead, GSSA 2026 planning team. Now, the major thing here is how you describe what you have been doing. So, I'm using past tense because I'm reporting PDUs from January to March as message was shared from the PM. So, here I'm saying served as a technology communication lead for PMI Uganda chapter team supporting the planning and coordination of the Global Support Series, GSSA 2026. Now the key responsibilities, put together at least 3 bullets, 3 plus for all what you're doing. So here you can check key responsibilities I'm running, leading digital and technology coordination for the project team, setting up and managing collaboration tools, Zoom communication channels and shared systems, the Google Sheets and all that. Then supporting data collection and reporting, then coordinating communication across functional volunteering teams, supporting planning meetings, documentation and stakeholder updates, driving adoption of digital tools to improve team productivity and visibility. So the role contributed, you also gave what was the outcome after all you did. The role contributed to the effective planning, communication aligned and operational readiness of GSSA 2026. Then there are these fields that are optional. You can leave them or you can put the contact persons you have. So for the URL, I've put the URL for the website, PMI Uganda. Then for the contact person, you can put the name of the PM for the project, or then you can put the VP events. Then the contact, the email. It's good if you use an email, put the email for VP events at PMI Uganda chapter, something like that. That has a domain, not at Gmail, not at Yahoo. Then here put the period of the PDUs you're requesting for. Obviously completed because we are requesting PDUs for the 3 months for my case. Then these were 25 PDUs. Then yes, I agree that everything I've put is true, which means in case there is anything I'm falsifying, then they will revoke. And please, you go ahead and submit this. So the moment you submit, it will take just a few seconds and give you the claim submission result. It's showing here the status is fine, submitted. And right away, you should be getting emails to show that this has been approved. And if I go to my claim history, I should be able to get this under my history. So when I go to this more, actually here it is. So here it is, 31st that, here it is, technology and communication, approved already. And it also has, it already has a claim code. Boom. So PDUs are already in the bucket. So guys, in case you have a challenge, please reach out, but that's the way how you will claim the PDUs. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye bye.